Shivani, I'm your speaking examiner. I'll take your speaking test now. There will be 3 rounds. In first round, I will ask you general questions. In the second round, I will give you a cue card, a topic on which you have to speak for 2 minutes. 1 minute time would be given to you to make notes. If you wish to make notes, you can make the notes as well. So all of your speaking would be recorded throughout, and all the analysis will be done on the basis of it. Third round is discussion round, and we will proceed to it. Are you comfortable? Yes, ma'am. Let's start with the first round. Introduce yourselves.
Morning, ma'am. I'm Satya and I'm here from Haryana. And currently, I'm living in Gurgaon with my family, and I'm in first class right now. And I'm pursuing it from Cash Public School. And my hobbies are playing instruments, musical instruments, guitar, piano, drum, etc. And I'm also good in sports.
All right, let's talk about animals. So, do you like animals?
Yes, I like animals more than humans because they are cute. And like I like the most cats, pet cats, because it is good to have like it can seek your
What about wild animal? What is your favorite wild animal? And
my
why?
wild animals. My favorite wild animal is giraffes because it is cute. Recently, I've been to the zoo and I watched it live from like, in real life. So it was surprising for me. They're tall. Even like, the kids, the baby giraffe is also tall as me, and that was cute for me.
So are people in your country fond of animals?
Uh, it depends on person. Like some in India, there are some people who don't like animals, whether it is wild or pet, and most people do not. There are only few people in India who uh, like wild animals or any kind of animals.
So, do many people in your country keep animals at their home, or I mean, the pets do they keep at home?
Uh, Mostly people prefer to take pets at home, but there are only few people in India, and in in India, they are mostly common cats and dogs, cats uh, as a pet. And uh,
Let's proceed to the second round, the cue card section. I want you to describe an activity that you usually do that wastes your time. Describe an activity that you usually do that wastes your time. Cues are what it is, when you usually do it, why you do it, and explain why you think it wastes your time. You have 1 minute to make your notes. You may proceed.
uh, as I'm learning photography and videography, cinematography right now. So that usually is a good thing that I am learning, but it also is a wasteful uh, waste my time a lot. Like when I capture an edit video, the most of the time I spend on capturing my photos and videos. Like I generally shoot them, and when I don't like it, I reshoot them, and I edit it. I edit it. Uh, uh, Repeatedly many times for hours or 1 2 3 hours. And when I get the clear shot or the satisfied shot, then I waste my time on editing on it. For 2 or 3 hours, I edit some things on a song, particular songs. Then when I don't like, I uh, went again from starting from the beginning and start it and start over. And also, uh, it, and also when I got some new ideas, I uh, again like make some of them some of the videos on any topic. Like recently uh, I made edit video on class. So I waste my 4 hours on shooting it. And also after that, when I was editing it, so it was like the short. I was not satisfied with the short, so I spent my 1 day on shooting the same shot and it based on it. Thank you. This is the end of your second round. We'll proceed to the third now. How can we avoid wasting time? It usually depends on a person, like how he is wasting time. Whether it is on like products, on wasting time on his entertainment purpose or learning purpose. Like if a person is wasting their time on social media, he can make a good timetable for them. And also, like if a person is wasting his time on learning something, so he can practice it more so that he can utilize his time. Is time management important? Yes, time management is important in a person's life. Like it can save a person's whole day uh, when he manages his work and entertainment time and also the study time. Should parents help children manage their time? Oh, yes, parents and children in managing their time, like they keep saying them that what to do in their time. Like if they are spending some more time on a on anything, so they just say their children to uh, shift to another work or give them works so that they can. And why do people regret when they waste time? People regret when they waste time because they don't have any more time left. And also, when they go so far that they can't return to the time as time is beyond your control. Thank you. Now, speaking again, fluency was not a problem at all. Fluency was fine. I could see that occasionally you were making grammatical errors. There were errors in tenses again. Like you have issues with simple present tense. You get confused between simple present tense and past tense. Then I could see that you were struggling with vocabulary also. The word productivity is a very common word. You were not getting the word productivity. That's something which is important is productive. So you can say that, well, people are not able to utilize their time making it productive. So if, for instance, if they are too much into social media, they can utilize their work, their time in productivity. Now, the last answer was good that they're not left with much time. You can say they normally have shortage of time because they end up wasting most of their time in doing trivial activities which are not important for them. However, they regret because they had something more important than that. So use comparative language than that, right? However, good, good, sir. Thank you.